Good afternoon, student. Now in this class we are going to see about the operator precedence. Now let's understand the meaning of precedence. Now suppose that before going to precedence of operator, first of all we have missed out one operator, that is called complement operator. Now first of all see the what is complement operator. Complement operator is, suppose that x is our input and complement of x is our output. Now if we are going to put the value x 0, then this complement of 0 will become 1, and if we are going to input 1, then complement of 1 will be 0. Now this is your complement operator. So that means 0 will convert into 1 and 1 will convert into 0. This is your complement operator, or it is also called logical NOT operator. Now let's see the operator precedence. Precedence, that means the order of the execution. Precedence means order. Now operator's precedence defines order of execution of operators in expression. This is called your operator's precedence. We have studied in our previous class with different types of operator. Now we will see the precedence of operator. That means if any expression contains multiple operators, then which operator will be executed first and what will be the order of execution of operators. Now let's understand with this chart. Suppose that this is your operators. See here, this is your operators and this is your precedence. That means the operator written on the above highest, that is highest priority. That means this order is highest to lowest. That means the bottommost operator has the lowest precedence and the uppermost operator has the highest precedence. Now it is in the order of increasing to decreasing. So first of all the parentheses have the highest priority, then exponent, then bitwise NOR, then unary positive negative, that means unary addition and unary minus, then division, multiplication, floor division and modulus. These all operators have same precedence. That means in these operators have same precedence, and then addition and subtraction. After that bitwise and bitwise OR, XOR and bitwise OR will be executed. Now then are relational operators or comparison operators. Then your member operator is and is not, and then bitwise NOT and boolean and boolean OR operators will be performed in the last. This is the your priority order or precedence order of the operators. So I hope you will have clear understanding of this precedence. Now if we can understand this by the help of example. So take here the example. So this is an expression. We have to solve this expression. Suppose that here we put the FD equal to 36, DB equal to 5 and CH equal to 5, and this is your expression. Now first of all we have to see that we have execute the precedence wise. That means this parenthesis, first of all this parenthesis will be calculated. That means first of all we have calculate 36 divided by 5. This will give 7.2. After that we have the symbol of multiplication and division. Then we have to use this bracket. Now 5 will be multiplication will done. Then here multiplication will be done, and the result will be again 36, and now division will take place and this will give 18.0. This is your final result. That means first of all we have calculated the parenthesis, then division, then multiplication, then division according to the given parenthesis. Now if you take another example, suppose that expression a equal to 200 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3. Then if we are going to calculate, then first of all we have to calculate this parenthesis. First of all we have to calculate this parenthesis. This will give you 100. Now multiplication will take place. This will give you 400. Then addition will take place and the final result will be 403. This is your final value of your expression. And the order of executing the operators is called precedence of operator. I hope you have understood this topic. Now our next topic is operator associativity. Associativity is also order. That means associativity is the order in which an expression having multiple operators of same precedence is evaluated. That means if in any expression we have the multiple operators, like we have division, multiplication, modulus, floor division in same expression, in one expression, then which operator will be executed first, because these all have same precedence. That means there is no different precedence between these operators. Then which operator will be calculated first? This is defined by the associativity. This is defined with the associativity. Now to solve this problem, keep one thing in your mind. Almost all operators have left to right associativity. That means all operators have the left to right associativity. That means first of all, if these are defined in this order, then we have to calculate division, then multiplication, then floor division, then modulus, then floor division. But except exponent, this is your exponent, except your exponent which has right to left associativity. That means if we have applied associative in the case of exponent function, exponent operator, then this associativity will right to left. But in case of all other operators, this will associativity will define with the left to right. Take the example. Now let understand it. Suppose that this is our expression 7 multiplied by 8 divided by 5 and floor division of 2. Now here there is no exponent operator. Then we have to take the associativity with left to right. We have to maintain associativity left to right. Now in this case, first of all we have to calculate 7 multiplied by 8, then divide by 15, 5, then division of 2. Now if we have calculated it, 7 multiplied by 8 gives 56, divided by 5, floor division 2. Now if we have calculated, here we have got 11 point something, 11.2. Now floor division of 2. If we divide 5.6, and floor division will truncate the decimal value. Floor division will truncate the decimal value. Now hence 5 will be written. So only answer will be calculated as 5. Now similarly in second operation, we have to calculate this bracket, then we have to calculate this bracket, and finally this bracket will be calculated, and your answer will be 5 same. Now if you take the example of your third question, third expression. Here we have the result 0. Why is it so? Because first of all we have to follow the rule of bracket, that means precedence of bracket. That means first of all 8 divided by 2 will calculated, then the floor division will be calculated, then multiplication will take place. Now see here, 8 divided by 5, that means this is your 1.6. Now if we calculated floor division with 2, then 0.8 will be written. 0.8, that means if we are going to calculate floor division, this 0 will be written because the number after decimal place will discard, truncated in the floor division operator. Now we have multiplied 7 with the 0, then any number multiplied by 0 gives 0. That's why the result is your 0. Similarly, you can calculate the fourth expression. Now see the associativity in exponent. Suppose that here we have written the 3 exponent 3 exponent 2. Now in all other operators we have to follow left to right associativity, but in case of your exponent we have to find right to left associativity. Now see, this is your expression 3 exponent 3 exponent 2. Now this will not going to treated as 3 to the power 3 to the power 2. This is the incorrect evaluation of this exponent function. So what will be the correct order is right to left, that means 3 to the power 2, then power 3. Now if we have calculated, you have the result of this. That means first of all you have to calculate the 3 power 2. And then 3 to the power 9. Now this will give your result 3 exponent 3 exponent 2. That means first we have to solve from the right side. Now you will get 3 to the power 2 whole power 3. That means this will give 3 to the power 9, and you will have the result 19683. This is the way to calculate associativity in the terms of exponent operator. Now this is your example of your exponent operator, and in our next class we have see the about evaluation of expression. Thank you for watching today.